Hey idiots, I'm gonna be making Kraft Dinner. Yeah! Start off by putting it in a pot and putting water in it. Put that pot on the stove, make sure you put it on high and wait for it to boil, and then put 6 cups of water in the...
Now just sit patiently while you wait for the water to boil.
Once your water starts to boil, put the Kraft Dinner. Make sure you keep stirring it so none of it sticks to the bottom. Now I think the box says to cook it for 7 minutes, but what I do is just keep checking on it because I like my noodles a little bit chewy. Also make sure you don't knock over your mom's sugar bowl like a total dumbass. Now once they're cooked, strain those noodles and now of course the ingredients for Kraft Dinner are pretty obvious. You know, you got your cream, you got your packet of cheese, which I already put in and forgot to record. But with butter don't matter. You just really put in as much as you want. Honestly, the more the better. Now mix that up real good. Now here's where things get spicy. Literally, because tuna is spicy. When I was off camera, I prepared a can of tuna. What you're going to do is put that at the bottom, and then put the Kraft Dinner on top. Oh yeah! Oh. Now, I know this looks illegal, and you'll probably think this looks gross, but squirt a bunch of sriracha on the top. No, not ketchup. Ketchup just adds sugar, and you don't want sugar with sugar. It's gross, and this gives it a kick and spice and makes it 3% healthier. Now mix that all up real good. Make sure you got that tuna in there. Make sure you got it to your desired spice level. And once you eat it this way, you won't go back, because plain Kraft Dinner, yeah, it's good, but there's nothing. It's just noodles and cheese. There's no protein. There's no substance. There's no kick. This is how I was taught, and it's mucho good. Now I received a complaint in my but now enjoy your Kraft Dinner. Eat it with a cup of water, and this has been cooking. Levi cooks. Cooking with Levi is cheesy and unoriginal. I overcooked my noodles. I've done better, but it's good. Expect more videos to come. I locked myself into an annual fee for Adobe Premiere, so I have to make videos now. This video sucked.